All right, today I'm checking out West Bam. I'm listening to the song Alarm Clock. Let's get into it. You know what I'm thinking about this rave music? I think rave music is designed to be listened to with a listening aid. That listening aid is drugs. That's what I think. It sounds a little trippy and it got random stuff in there. And random, like the phone just start ringing. Like if you're under whatever people take at raves and you got boom, 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 and that's got other stuff that's really like music, just like carrying the beat and stuff. So you got the dancing from the other music, then you got the trippy boom, 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 boom. That's like the main sound in the song. Even when the more dancing music goes away, you got boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? And so that's when you're under the influence, that's gonna feel like boing, 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 boing. So you're gonna be like all blissed out. You got this music that's kind of trippy. It's going to be enhancing your high. Can I say that? Well, I said it. It's going to be enhancing it, right? Then out of nowhere, phone rings, and it's going to be like, phone ring. You know what I mean? I think they got little sounds in there, trips you out. You got boom, 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 dancey stuff, and then the voice comes in. It just be like 2, 3, 4 words. Voice goes away. Like little samples of voices they got in this stuff. I think it is designed with high people in mind. That's what I think. I would love to see this in action. That's what I would love to see. I'm picturing all kind of things in my head. I'm picturing a shirtless Terry Crews dancing when you get the whistle, right? Because isn't he in some movie dancing? He's got like a whistle. And he's like, I can't remember what movie it is, but it's definitely a movie I seen in my childhood. Right, you go. Yo, Terry Crews with the, because this song, you got the dance music, the party music, well, the rave music, then you get a random whistle, right? I got no lyrics. You give me a random sound, I run off with it. I run off with the shirtless Terry Crews dancing with the whistle because I hear the whistle. Phone rings. The way that phone rang, it reminded me of my grandma's house growing up. I shouldn't have the same house, but in her not original house, but the house that, you know, the first one I remember had a rotary phone. Had a rotary phone in the basement. The way that phone rang sound like how a rotary phone rings. You know what I mean? Just thinking the most random thoughts. I'm thinking about high people tripping balls, dancing, just spaced out, boom, 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 boom. I'm just thinking the weirdest, most random thoughts listening to this. And then I was thinking, is it German? Is this German music? But I saw the label said it was BMG UK, right? It said UK. Germany's not in the UK. But it said the people's names seemed German on the record. I'm reading all the stuff on the record. I was everywhere. I was all over the place. All over the place. Halfway in my imagination, halfway studying the record that I was looking at. And that's what it was. That's what it was.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.